We are at the Umaid Bhavan Palace Hotel in Jodhpur, and I have with me Chef Chandar and Chef Parameshwar. They are the senior chefs of this hotel. And let me tell you, we all know that Taj has been able to keep their people, they care for their people. Here we have Chef Chandar, who has done 22 years with the Taj Group. 6 years here at the Umaid Palace Hotel. He was here when Priyanka Chopra got married, and he was part of the team cooking for the grand wedding of Priyanka Chopra. Now he has won the Ratan Tata Award 4 times. Wow, that's something. So we welcome chefs Chandar and Parameshwar here to you.
खमागनी, वेलकम उमेद भवन पैलेस। आज हम आपको महाराजा का रॉयल वेजिटेरियन कबाब सिखा रहे हैं, तंदूरी आलू, नागौरी तंदूरी आलू। तो देखिए हम आपके सामने प्रेजेंटेशन कर रहे हैं।
Thank you, thank you. Okay, so we are going to do the Nagauri Barwan Aloo. The Nagauri Barwan Aloo gets its name from the Nagauri Kasuri Methi. The Kasuri Methi of Nagauri is very famous. Nagauri is a place which is 80 kilometers from Jodhpur, and they have this really famous Kasuri Methi. So this dish is famous because it uses this Kasuri Methi. So it has got the Nagauri Barwan Aloo. So all the vegetarians like Kalpana, Vivek and all that, I'm sure you are happy. We have a completely vegetarian dish. No bacon, no chicken today. Okay, so we are going to start from the beginning and show you all the steps to make this delicacy. Over to Chef Chandar. So first we are going to start with a raw potato. He's going to show us how to make it.
हम आपके सामने शुरुआत कर रहे हैं बड़ी साइज का आलू लेना। जो भी आलू है वो बड़ी साइज का आलू लेना। फिर देख लीजिए आपके सामने मैं इसका कट मार रहा हूँ। दोनों मुंह काट दिया है और फिर आलू को चारों तरफ से आप फिल कर दीजिए। एकदम चारों तरफ से घुमाते 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 फिल कर दीजिए। बिल्कुल आसान है, कोई ऐसा नहीं है इसमें। आप चारों तरफ से आलू को सफाई कर दीजिए, घुमाते 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 घुमाते। ये हो गया आपके चारों तरफ से आलू एकदम पिल। अब हम इसको करेंगे पिलर से अंदर से पिल। तो आप देखिए कैसे हम पिलर से पिल करते हैं। ये देख लीजिए आप आलू।
Okay, so what are we doing? We are cutting the potato into long rectangles because we want to make a cylinder out of it. After it is cut, you can see he is going to now make a cylinder using a peeler.
Yes. तो आप ले लिया, पिलर ले लिया, इस मुंह पे कट शुरू कर दिया आपने, घुमा दिया घुमा दिया घुमा दिया घुमा दिया घुमा दिया घुमा दिया। थोड़ा सा आप इस तरफ भी देख लीजिए, दोनों टायर बड़ा प्यार से आप अंदर की साइड में घुमा दीजिए घुमा दीजिए घुमा दीजिए। घुमाते घुमाते आपके ये हो गया आलू बिल्कुल ये पिल।
Okay, so what did he do? He just made a nice cylinder with a circular gap in the middle for this with this aloo. It's actually very easy. You just need a big long aloo and you can make this. So far so good. We are all in sync. Then what do? We take that aloo and we deep fry it.
Yeah.
So if you can see it, we have now just deep fried the aloo. Okay, see, we've just deep fried it. The whole is intact. Everything is there. So we've deep fried it. Now once we finish deep frying it, we have to stuff it with the masala. What is in the masala? So we have chaat masala, we have raisins, we have garam masala, we have kasuri methi, the famous kasuri methi, we have cashew nuts, raw cashew nuts. It's not soaked, it's not fried, raw cashew nuts. We have coriander, kothumali, we have chopped green chilies. And the potato which we have taken out from the middle, we've just sliced it and we've deep fried that also. Just because we needed to cook it. Okay, so that's also deep fried. Now we'll watch Chef Chandar in action.
तो आपको अभी हम बता रहे हैं इसके अंदर स्टफिंग का मसाला, जो आलू है अंदर वाला उसको हमने फ्राई कर दिया, डीप फ्राई। अब इसके अंदर जो मसाला डाल रहे हैं बहुत सिंपल मसाला है। आप देखिए, चॉप ग्रीन चिली, चॉप ग्रीन चिली, चॉप धनिया, चॉप धनिया, काजू, चाट मसाला, किशमिश, गरम मसाला पाउडर, नागौरी कस्तूरी मेथी, बस ये आपके सामने ही देख लो, ये आइटम हमने इसमें यूज़ किया है। अब इसको मैश करके मसाला बनाना है आपके सामने।
Wow, looks good, doesn't it? Yeah, so looks good, doesn't it? He just took all of it and he used the filling of the potato and he has just mashed it all and made it into a filling.
ये आपके सामने में इसका मसाला, स्टफिंग मसाला तैयार हो गया है।
Yeah,
अब हम इसको आगे सेकंड में जो आलू डीप फ्राई किया हुआ आलू है उसके अंदर स्टफिंग करेंगे। ये देख लो आपके सामने, ये मसाला ले लिया है, इसके अंदर स्टफिंग कर लिया। स्टफिंग बड़ा प्यार से करना। ये ले दीजिए, ये मसाला आप दोनों साइड से इसको पैक कर दीजिए। ये हमारे उम्मेद मोहन पैलेस का बहुत ही फेमस आलू है, इस नागौरी वर्मा आलू। ये देख लो आपके सामने, बिल्कुल हमने आलू को दोनों साइड से स्टफिंग कर दिया। अब इसके हम सॉस लगा रहे हैं आपके सामने।
just 1 minute.
यस,
So if you look at the stuffing mix, it is not powdered, it is not fine. It is coarse, it is rough, but that's fine. Even the cashew, it's hardly broken into half and that's about it. The potato is still in larger pieces. The raisins are full there. So it doesn't matter because we don't need it to be really fine paste or anything. This is great. Look at this. Yeah, so that is what we have stuffed the fried cylindrical potato with. Now he's going to do the
अब आपको इस पोटैटो के ऊपर हम ग्रीन चटनी, जो पुदीना, हरा धनिया, ग्रीन चिल्ली, गार्लिक, इस डाल के चटनी बनाते हैं। अब इसके ऊपर ये लगाते हैं ग्रीन चटनी। ये लगा दिया है आपके सामने, देख लो। हम चारों तरफ घुमा दीजिए आलू के चारों तरफ आपने चटनी घुमा दी है, बिल्कुल। ये हो गया पैक। अब हम इसको आपके सामने ओवन में पकाएंगे। ये हो गया आलू stuffing tyaar.
Okay, so what did we do? We took the potato, we stuffed it with the filling, and then we just rolled it up in the pudina chutney. All we did was roll it up in the pudina chutney so it gets the covering outside. Now he is going to do it in the tandoor, but we can do it in the oven. So what I'm going to do is that we're going to show you how it's going into the tandoor. So it just goes into the tandoor, but we can just put it into the oven. You can maybe just drizzle a little bit of ghee on it if you're putting it into the oven.
अब आपके सामने 5 मिनट हम इसको तंदूर के अंदर पका रहे हैं। तंदूरी आलू, नागौरी वर्मा तंदूरी आलू। 2 मिनट आपके सामने।
Okay, so now we have put it into the oven. So we have this Nagori Barwan aloo. So Nagori Barwan aloo is a famous dish of the Maharaja. The Maharaja used to have this regularly. So when the Taj set up here, they decided to have it as one of their signature starters at the hotel. And last night we had it. It was to die for. I said, wow, this is what we want to show in our Fit the Soul culinary odyssey. Really, it was too good to miss. And it's so easy, like you know, we always show you really easy recipes. So what did we do? We took the potato, we cut it into big rectangle, cleaned it and cut it into a big rectangle. Then we used a peeler, normal kitchen peeler, and we just made a hole on both sides. And you know, we just went through it, so we got a cylinder like this. And after that, we did the stuffing. Stuffing was a remainder potato. We just deep fried that, and then we mixed kasuri methi, garam masala, raisins, the chaat masala, cashew nut, coriander leaves, and green chilli, and we made the filling. We took the potato and we deep fried it. After we deep fried it, we filled the potato with the stuffing. After we filled the potato with stuffing, we wrapped it all over with pudina chutney. And now he has put it into the oven and it has come back.
ये हो गया आपके सामने तंदूर में पक्के आलू तैयार। तो इसको सरिये से बाहर निकाल देते हैं हम। ये
There you are.
Yes.
So it has come from the oven. If you see, it's got a nice burnt look and it's got the pudina chutney look all over. And it's quite hot, obviously.
अब आपके सामने इनका कट मारते हैं 1:2।
Okay,
Plate rice.
so we got to cut into two, but
Yeah.
we got to cut into as a triangle. So here we are. If you look at it, he's cutting into a triangle. Wow, look at that. Can you see the filling? How beautiful, how lovely.
ये हो गया आपके सामने
See?
कट इन 2। ये देख लीजिए।
Can you see this? That potato was cut into two. 5 minutes, because everything was cooked in this. We just had to make sure that the potato browned a bit. And now we're going to do the dressing and the plating.
अब इसके अंदर ऊपर थोड़ा सा आप
So you will take a little bit of ghee.
घी, देसी घी,
See? That.
थोड़ा क्रीम एंड चाट मसाला, लवली कबाब।
See?
अब आपके सामने हम इसका प्लेटिंग प्रेजेंटेशन कर रहे हैं, आप देख लीजिए।
Come closer. So now what we are doing is that we're going to plate this. So what did we do? We cut the potato into two halves diagonally, and we dressed it with a little bit of ghee, cream, and a little bit of chaat masala. You could add 1 or 2 drops of coriander if you want. Yeah, just a little bit of coriander to add a little bit of green color to it. And then what do we do? Look at this plate. Wow. So we've got a little semicircle banana leaf. We've got a little bit of sauce here with peppercorns, and we've got this. Look at this. This is a really lovely idea. This is a lime. It is covered with muslin cloth so that when you squeeze the lime, the seeds don't fall out. And we've got a green chili which has been cut. And then we've got, wow, look at this. My God, this is carrots and beetroot. Wow, I don't know how Chef Chanda does it so fine. It's wow. And then would you like to plate it?
Yes. Yes.
Wow, we've got this. Look at this.
ये आपके सामने
Yeah,
बनके
so
तैयार
we're
हो
going
गया
to
है।
do this. Look at this. This is our plated Nagori aloo bharwan. Bharwan, look at that. Bhagwan, this is really bharwan. Okay, so look at this. This is your aloo bharwan, Nagori bharwani aloo. This is your chutney, mint chutney, green chili, a little bit of decorative vegetables, the lime here, and all plated beautifully in a really fancy royal plate. Wow, so good. This is so good. But what do we eat this with? Normally, how do we have this? So this is just a starter. What are the other dishes that Umaid Bhawan is famous for? So we're going to now show you what else we can eat it with. Wow, look at this. This is called lal mans. Can you see it? This is mutton. Wow, it's definitely lal in color. With my little bit of Hindi, I know lal is red. So this is like a really nice red
Jodhpuri
curry.
murg.
This is Jodhpuri murg. So obviously it's a specialty of Jodhpur. It's not called Malayali murg. It's not called Delhi murg. It's called Jodhpuri murg. So it is Jodhpuri speciality.
आटे की चक्की की सब्जी।
So this is chakki ki sabji.
Vegetarian.
Vegetarian, obviously. Kalpana, Vivek, vegetarian. Chakki ki sabji. So with chakki you make little squares and then you put into a gravy, and that's chakki ki sabji.
क्या सांगरी?
Oh, this is a specialty. This is called kher sangri. If you can see, this is a bean, okay?
Dry beans.
Dried beans, okay? It is called kher. So they make a vegetable with it. It's called kher sangri. This is very, very special for Umaid Bhawan and for Jodhpur.
काबुली पुलाव।
Oh my God,
Nice.
look at this, to die for. Kabuli pulao, look at this. He never gave me this. Oh, this looks really special. And look at this. This is their special rice called Kabuli pulao. So this is it. So Nayanthara, just show this. Okay, here where we are. Look at this. This is our plated meal. We have our aloo bharwan, Nagori bharwani aloo here. We've got lal mans here. We've got Jodhpuri murg. We've got chakki ki sabji. We've got kher sangri, and we've got Kabuli pulao. So this is beautiful. This is just a part of their cuisine, and these chefs, both of them, and Chef Parameshwar was a personal chef to Sonia Gandhi, and he was in Malaysia. He was in many places. He was at Udaipur Palace Hotel also, Lake Palace Hotel. Both of them come with great experience, and we had great expectations from them and we were not disappointed. That was really lovely. Thank you so much. Would you have anything to say extra?
Thank you, ma'am. Welcome to all at our brand place. Thank you.
Okay, so I've got another little bit of information for you. Chef Chandar has his own YouTube cooking classes. So this evening when we send you the recipe, we'll also send you a link to his cooking sessions. You could feel free to go and check that out, because then you could get more of Jodhpuri and more of these exotic Indian dishes that Taj serves. 22 years, that's more, half of his life has been with the Taj. So it's really a great time to learn from him. So thank you so much, Chef Parameshwar, Chef Chandar and Chef Ravi. Thank you very much, Umaid Bhavan Palace, for collaborating with us and being with us.